Yeah, hi. So in last class, we discussed till 7.0 features. Now we will concentrate on 8.0 features. So in 8.0, around 25 features we have. So that we will see here one by one now. Because from this version onwards, it is main, and the last version, whatever the version we discussed, 7.0. And this version onwards, the features as important because our minimum target in the current days is the 7.0. So that's the reason these all are the important. So this has released in August 2017. Right. So in this, the many features, the first one is the redesigned settings menu. So the settings menu has redesigned completely. Last time it is a single, like all are the different, but now it has designed like completely customized for require like all similar categories on a single menu, single setting. Like that, it is differentiated the categorization here. Next is the revamped file manager. So the revamped file manager here, this one is like previously this already there, but now this has completely revamped, like it is changed as a based on the folder type. Similar content could be saved in a single folder, like that folder content has updated here. Next is the battery saving. So battery saving background restriction. So battery has saving like a background restriction. So that is so this is a battery saving for the background restrictions. Like it is a similar percentage. So like let us say after 40% of the battery, I don't want to allow WhatsApp, Facebook, GPS. So automatically it can be, you can set up this kind of feature in settings so that after that it won't call any of those applications. Next is the snooze individual notification. So this is also very important, like snooze individual. For example, now we are in a class. Now if we get that any notification now, so I cannot reply now, but that notification is very important for me. Then what I'll do, just I'll swipe from left to right, so that goes back, and after 15 minutes again it will trigger as a new notification. So that is a snooze individual. Like here, like let us say here you are like 5 or 6 members. So you all 5 or 6 members have sent one notification, hi. On that, I have only one notification is important. Just I swipe only that notification will come as a new, remaining won't come like that. So that is this. And the next is the fingerprint. So fingerprint scanner. So fingerprint scanner gestures. The last time I already told about the gestures. Gesture means it is like with the movement, it will action like last time I told about the value. When we swipe the phone left or right, automatically the volume can be reduced. But here now, while locking and unlocking, so like here when we put the thumb, sometimes it won't work properly. But just while moving left and right, automatically the mobile will be unlocked, right? So that kind of this gestures as updated here. This next is the turn on Wi-Fi automatically. So what is this Wi-Fi automatically? So for example, in my home, I have Wi-Fi, and in office, I have a Wi-Fi. But daily, office and like except office and home, I'm spending daily 4 to 5 hours outside, let us say, for traveling. At sometimes I'm going out, something like that. I'm spending 5 to 6 hours outside, let us say. Today completely I'm outside. So whenever I'm an outside, so there is no Wi-Fi connectivity, right? Even if there is no Wi-Fi connectivity, either until I turn off Wi-Fi connectivity in my mobile, it will continuously checking in the background. So whenever it is checking in the background, automatically it will reduce some battery. So that here in this one, what happens now from this version onwards, once the specific area based on your current location, latitude and longitude, only on the specific area, like my home lat lang is like something, of slat lang is something within a 100 meter or 200-meter radius, only it will check the Wi-Fi connectivity is available or not. In case if it is available, it will connect. Otherwise, it won't search again until you get the particular location. So that is a one benefit for us. Right. Next is the more granular storage. More granular storage controls. So this is like by selecting the file. So like I want to select one document file. So how much it is occupying, we can check. And even whenever I want to save any document, like see, if I'm sending one document in a WhatsApp, so that you are downloading in your mobile, when it is downloading, automatically it can reduce the size. How much it is possible, that much of it reduce, and it will save the image on mobile. Because here we are working with the low memory devices, so as much as possible, you have to save the memory. So that's the reason it should be reduced like that. Next is the picture in picture mode. So what is this picture in picture mode? So this picture in picture mode, here we can able to see in our that YouTube. So like I searched one video in YouTube that it is already playing. I want to search another video. So whenever I want to search in another video, automatically that video will come on the bottom of the page and remaining will be continuing as it is, right? So that is in the picture in picture mode. Next is the autofill framework. So autofill framework. This autofill framework is nothing but like regular activities. So let us say regularly I'm booking a ticket. For that, I'm using one credit card or debit card, or regularly I'm typing my address. So such kind of activities, whenever you are doing, that can be saved in a browser level or in a system level. Whenever in this particular activity you are doing in any of the application, so that automatically will fill, it will show the hints. So that automatically will fill the app. Like it is like I'll open any one of my regular. Let us I open this application. See here, automatically the data has filled. So once I click on this, okay, then it will be logged into that particular application. So like that kind of process. Next is the rescue party. So what is this rescue party? So when any portal exception, like any exception will come, so that mobile has crashing automatic, like mobile is striking crashing. So in case of that, the OS will try to resolve maximum of issues in itself. Means OS itself, it will run automatically to resolve such kind of issues, and it will reboot, then it will resolve the issue. Like while once it is reboot, if anything needed, it can download automatically and it can resolve the issue. Like that type, maximum issues will be resolved on this version answers. That is the main benefit for the end users, right? Next is the notification channel. So here that user has to select the notification priority. So I have received now 5 notifications. One from WhatsApp, one from Gmail, one from Facebook, one from Instagram, one from some other XYZ. But my priority is always my WhatsApp should be first, then Gmail, then something else, then something else. Like that, user has prioritized those messages category, notification category, so that it can become in the same format. That is right. Next is the adaptive icons. So what is this adaptive icons? So up to now, like it is we can like whatever the apps I install. So default, whatever the manufacturer has given the format of icons, so user can do only that format. But here now using this adaptive icon feature, like we can without installing any third-party application, we can able to create like the square, circle, oval. So these kind of 3 formats we can set up. So that is available here. Next is the Wi-Fi Bluetooth codes. So Wi-Fi Bluetooth codes. So nowadays the Bluetooth user count as increasing day by day, right? Because of that, here the Bluetooth frequency and the range has increased compared to the previous versions. Next is the tab navigation. So what is this tab navigation? So the tab navigation is nothing but like this version onwards, like how we are using in a desktop tabs in a Chrome browser, tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, like that. Here also in a Chrome browser, you can use that kind of tabs here. Next is the app drawer improvements. So this is like easy navigation to install this app, like it is whenever we install like means recent, like if you press long double tap or long press on home screen, automatically it will load the recent apps from the list view. So that is the this option, that is this. Next is the wider color gamut. Like here now, when any particular Photoshop guys is there, so what they will do, so they will install the, like they will use the render different colors. Like color palette will come, from the color palette they will pick, like even here also we have, like so from here just here I'm clicking, like this is here, but will we select the background? So from the background here, see more colors, so more colors. So from here I can choose the color, like this kind of, previously it was not there. So that is introduced for the developers to add multiple colors for this. Previously it was using like the RGB, so that is 0 to 9 and A to F combination, that is RGB colors. So that we use HTML color codes previously. Like now that is changed as like this. Next is the Wi-Fi aware. So like I'm traveling from my location to some other location. Let us say I'm in right now, I'm in a railway station, bus stop, or airport. So normally in this, why I'm saying this specifically means in these areas, normally the free Wi-Fi's are available. Right. So then that particular area, whenever the free Wi-Fi is available, automatically your mobile will connect to that Wi-Fi and it will start interacting that. So that is the reason. Just I'm saying that example, like any Wi-Fi is available in your settings. If you add like the auto connect free Wi-Fi, automatically it will connect that. Next is the notification. So next is the notification badges on web screen. Like I have received notification badges. So like I have received 10 notifications from the particular application. So on top of that particular application icon, it says that count is 10. One notification, one, two notification, two, like that. That is the this. Next is the no more unknown resources. So no more unknown resources. So what is this no more unknown resources? So this no more unknown resources, like as of now, if application APK, that output format is the APK, so that application APK will send in WhatsApp, in Gmail, wherever it should come. So directly you can install the application. But from this version onwards, except the Play Store, if you want to download application from third-party stores, any third party, user has to accept the terms and conditions. So maybe if any issues, any complaints will come, that not responsible for us. Like it is just confirming the user side, means it is taking the user permission to install that applications. That is the process system. That's. Next is the battery percentage indicator. So in mobile app, like it will display the battery percentage, like how the battery here it is display our percentage like this. So that battery percentage will display here. So battery percentage indicator in mobile. So that is one more feature it is. Next is the so battery percentage indicator. No more unknown resources. Wi-Fi aware. So battery and like means simply it is a quick settings. So in a quick settings, lot of things has added. Even if you want to add a few more like extra menus on quick settings, you can add, or whatever that they given. If you want to remove that, you can remove. So that is the benefit of this. Next is the powered by. So the powered by Android. So previously, while rebooting that, it won't display anytime, but now powered by will be displayed, like while rebooting your mobile, it will be display the powered by Android or powered by who is the manufacturer of that device, that it will be displayed like that. Next is the package install, like app installation animation has updated, package installer. So package installer animation has updated. So this is updated animation has updated this. Next is the smart text selection. So smart text selection. So like I have to copy the entire just by long press. It will ask that to select all. So you can select this, but I want to select from this specific area from here to here like this. So like this, you can done. You can select that just by pressing that. Automatically you can select that. So that is the next one here. In this last more one or two. So next one here, what is the next smart text selection after if any is here? Okay, so new emojis. Lot of emojis, like nowadays we are using lot of emojis like hi, hello, good morning, like that. We are using like vegetable names, everything like tomato means tomatoes image, like those kind of emojis as introduced in this. So these are the Android 8.0 features. Hope it is clear for everyone, or you have any questions on this? If it is okay, then we can go with the 9.0 features.
Clear.
Yeah. Okay, so then we will discuss Android 9.0 features. So in Android 9.0, around 10-12 features are there. So that is around Android 9.0. So this is so in this the first one is first benefit. It is here now. Gesture navigation. So first one is the gesture navigation. So this gesture navigation is also from long back. It is introducing, but one by one. Here now in this version. So now previously, as of now, like all the apps are coming with the 3 buttons. One is left, right, middle. 3 buttons are there in the bottom right, normally in the mobiles. But from this version onwards, majority of the phones having only single button based on your touch, like left touch, right touch. So either you want to open some app or you want to clear that. So you can set up that in a settings. So based on that, automatically that will open this. That is. Next is the adaptive battery. So adaptive battery and brightness. So this is like adaptive battery and brightness feature. So this is like also this is a previous feature, like it is a deep sleep. Like whenever I set my night mode, my night mode is 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. So in that 11 p.m. to 6 a.m., so that my battery will go to the deep sleep mode, so that it will consume very less battery on this. So that is the feature this is. Next is the app icon, app actions. So this app actions is the one of the major and attractive feature for the user. So let us, I'll explain with a clear example that like Google Maps. So navigating Google Maps to work in the morning, like what happens here daily, I'll start home at 8 a.m. for office. So daily I'm setting the Google navigation from my home to office. So once I done this, automatically it will start that navigation on the app itself. Like it will open the Google Map like 8 a.m. When I started that, automatically it will open the app and it will start the navigation. Like that is a one benefit here. Mostly this is like in a cars, whenever the car GPS is available, that feature we can able to see that with the mobiles, we cannot see that much of clear. But next feature, this is similar to app actions, but here we can see this that we can say as a slices. Like daily morning, let us say I'm traveling by cab. So like I'm booking the cab from my location to office location. So it will go next step. It will select the source and destination. Then it will go to the next step. It will waiting for the confirmation from your side. Just by clicking the confirmation, automatically it goes to the ride request. So until that example, like I'm saying, like that kind of any other features are available, like similar daily activities, we can capture here. That is daily activities. Next is the improved security features. So because of the user has to attract the user, so now here it has the security locations like location fingerprint, unlocking, smart lock, like many day by day the attractive features are increasing this. Next is the digital well-being. So the digital well-being is nothing but here this is like it is a dashboard. So it can show like how many notifications you received so far today, like WhatsApp, what is account, Facebook, what is account, like that. It will give that all the things here. Right. Next is the new accessibility. So new accessibility. So this new accessibility menu is like here now. This is like a new accessibility menu means here like in settings, accessibility menu is available here. So once you confirm that, here you will get a new accessibility menu campaign. Like that is once you click on the volume down or up, so this new accessibility menu will open from the left side from the screen, or some of the manufacturer it is open from the right side, some of the manufacturers from the bottom side, depends on the manufacturer. So they're like the volume, recent apps, quick settings, like that the new accessibility menu, you can create this. Next is the new screenshot shortcut. So previously when you want to take the screenshot, so you have to take that so you have to take like what we can say volume power and down button, then that the screenshot will appear. But now here, like automatically now quick setting, like new accessibility menu itself, it is giving that screenshot. So that screenshot we can able to get, and even once you take that, immediately you can share that here. This is. Next is the easier screen rotation. So easier screen rotation. So what is that? It is automatically it will switch from rotation icon. It will, like when video are playing, there is a icon it's displaying in bottom. Like once you click on that, automatically it will switch from portrait to landscape and landscape to portrait. Automatically you can switch that. Next is the volume and sound increments. So to attract the user, so improve this activity like volume and sound related issues as resolved, and it is updated here. So media ringer and vibrate, mute, like that kind of all the things I have updated here. This. Next is the selectable dark mode. So the selectable dark mode. So what is this selectable dark mode? Like here, user can select he want dark mode or he want normal mode. User has to select the. So based on his selection, the phone will be work on the particular mode, like light mode or dark mode. User has to select that. So that depends on his. Next is the more notification information. More notification, like previously, when I receive 3 notifications from the 3 different users in a WhatsApp, it is saying that 3 contacts, 3 messages like that. But now it will show A, hi, B, hello, C, something else. Like that, it will show when you swipe from top to bottom, it will show like that. So that is the main advantage here. These are the 9.0 features. Right. So next, I'll go through the 10.0. 10.0, we have like little bit lesser, so that we will see that here. This in a 10.0, the first is the dark mode. So already the previous one, it is already selectable dark mode is there, right? So on that, some of the versions it has some issues. So that is resolved. Like now you can use the dark mode easily. And next is the smart reply for all notification. So smart reply for all notification apps like WhatsApp, Gmail, Facebook, whatever the notification apps are there, for all the notification apps, you can give the smart reply to everyone. So that is the one benefit here. That is small notification. You can give the reply for this. Next is the a better sharing menu. So once I click on the share, so recently I shared document in WhatsApp. So WhatsApp should come first. Then the recent, whatever the recent sharings done, recent sharing is Facebook. Facebook will come on top. Like that, what is the sharing options that automatically will come on the top? That is user advantage. Like instead of searching WhatsApp, W. ABC related law, ABC, like there is many applications there means until I scroll that, I cannot get that. That's the reason. Whatever that recent, that will come on this first. Next is the focus mode. So the focus mode feature, this is like it is a in a previous version what we see in the digital well-being. This means like how many apps used to this, right? This app you received these many notifications. So from that here is extra something is added like timeline time also. Like you send you spent 2 hours in this, 1 hour in this, and these many notifications like that complete clear picture it is giving here. Next is the quicker access to settings. So quicker setting we can access easily with the setting. So that is added here that in a quick setting from the quick settings you can able to open the settings icon that is. Next is the a standard depth format. The standard depth format. So this is like any JPG, PMG like images. Whenever you want to edit the images without losing the pixelate, it will give the high clarity. So that what type of things has updated is this. So again that file manager. So an improved file manager files app. So like file manager app has improved here compared to the previous. Like here some of the things it is updated here in this. So that is the improved file set. Next is the overhead permissions. Like let us say my application need, like last time I said in Android 6.0 onwards, runtime permissions. Like once we install camera permission, that permission, this permission, like it will ask, like it, let us say I have 10 permissions. So if you use this 4L permission, 10 permissions at a time, it will show in a single screen one by one. So from there, you can access all the features single time. Like once you give allow, it will allow for all. Previously, it was like you need to add one by one. Next is the Wi-Fi sharing via QR code. So by scanning the QR code, you can connect to the Wi-Fi automatically for the other device. Next is the gestures. So gestures day by day, like because of the different hardware. So that is updating gesture and the drawers play nicely. Like this is just like some day by day activities, like it is regular activities for the gestures. Next is the security features. Security features via Play Store. So from the Play Store side, also a lot of security features has updated because of the many applications are coming, the fake applications. That's the reason a lot of securities has like you want to upload the app. There are previously it is simple process. Now that is became as a complex because to avoid the fake applications. So a lot of things has added on that here. So that is next is the wet and overheat USB. Let us say I have connected my charging with USB, like whenever my 100% charging has completed, so automatically it will stop the transferring the power. So that is to avoid overheat and over power supply. So this feature has introduced. So these all are the features are there in 10.0. Right. So in next class, we will see 11, 12, 13, 14. Almost there are 4 or 5 in between of the 5 to 10 features each version. So those 3 will complete, those 4 versions will complete tomorrow. Then day after tomorrow, I'll start with the installation of Android Studio. So after that, we will start the programmatical sessions. Okay, any questions from anyone?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow.